Hello Crochet Army, I am Nimra from Amigurumi Areas by Nimra. Today I've brought to you some really cute and aesthetic tote bag ideas. Tote bags are really handy and useful and give a great look on you. They look so adorable, cute and aesthetic at the same time. They're totally beginner friendly and I would also share the pattern if you would like them and I aim 100 comments for them. The floral theme is very usual and cute on tote bags. They could also be designed on different color schemes and look very adorable. These could also be sold on a great price and can be made very easily. You can also add some crochet charms. Please subscribe to my channel Crochet Ideas by Nimra for more ideas like that. These are very adorable and cute. Do try them out. Some of them look very aesthetic and all of them are very cute. If you take a look, you could also add some keychains and more charms to make them look even more beautiful. If you have a crochet business, they would be great. They are very trendy on USA and more countries.